All right, in this situation, we have a single pole switch in a bedroom with a single gang Deako backplate. As you can see, the neutrals are already pigtailed out and I have my grounds connected. So to start with, I'll go ahead and hook up my neutral. Next, I will identify my hot lead coming out of my switch and put that in the slot labeled hot. Next, identify my switch leg and plug that into my load. I'll roll the back plate into the box and secure it to the wall using the attached screws. And lastly, snap on the screwless faceplate. If you have any other questions on this, don't hesitate to reach out to Deako support team. You can find them at support@deako.com.